Hello and welcome to another video of Spirit Seeking with Pratick on Sound Health Solution. In the last video, we spoke about incense and incense sticks and different types of incense that stimulate your mood and your health in different ways. Some might just promote calmness and make you relaxed, while others might even have antibacterial properties, and some of them can even cure headaches. I was going through my comments box and I saw quite some requests of videos explaining about mudras related to chakras. So we thought, why not? So in this video, we shall be talking about the different mudras that are related to the different chakras and how you can make a mudra and stay with it for a while in order to strengthen that particular chakra. So here goes. So for the root chakra, what you have to do is you have to form the Gyan mudra. First, you have to sit in sukhaasan or padmaasan as to your liking, and then you connect your thumb to your index finger and you keep your hands straight on top of your knees, palms facing upwards. You can hold on with this mudra for about 10 to 20 minutes. In fact, Gyan mudra can be taken up to an hour. It doesn't really hurt you. So this is the mudra for the root chakra. For the Swadhisthana or the second chakra or the orange chakra or the sacral chakra, the mudra to form with your hands is, first of all, place your right hand on your lap and then place your left hand on top of your right, both palms facing upwards, and slowly connect your thumbs. This forms a reservoir of energy in your auric body. This promotes creativity in you. This is the mudra for the second chakra or the sacral chakra. The mudra for the Manipur chakra or the third chakra or the chakra of life energy is the almost Namaste mudra, but with a twist. What you do is you simply join your palms facing outwards, pointed outwards away from you, and you cross your thumbs on top of each other. Make sure that your hand is between your heart and your stomach, right around the place where your Manipur chakra or the third chakra or the chakra for life is. For the fourth chakra, also known as the heart chakra, the mudra to perform is the Gyan mudra, but the position is different. So what you do is you touch the thumb to your index finger on both your hands, but place your right hand near your heart chakra and your left hand on your left knees, both of them facing upwards. This is the mudra for the heart. The next mudra is for the throat chakra or the Vishuddha chakra. What you have to do is you have to interlock your fingers, rest them on your stomach, and join your thumbs. This is the mudra for the throat chakra. For the third eye chakra, what you have to do is you have to form the mudra that you formed for the throat chakra, which is interlocking your fingers and joining your thumbs and resting them on your stomach. What you do is you take out your index fingers, join them with each other, you point it upwards at your heart, at your breastplate, and then you remove all the other three fingers and then you join them with each other. This is the mudra for the third eye chakra. And for the crown chakra, it's very simple. All you have to do is, from this mudra, you have to go back to the mudra where you interlock your fingers. The thumbs are still touching each other, the index fingers are still touching each other, the other fingers are interlocked with each other, and you stay in this mudra for quite some time in order to activate your crown chakra. So those were the respective mudras for respective chakras. If you liked the content in this video, do not forget to press the like button. Comment down there if we have missed anything, and share this video with your friends who you think might like these kinds of videos. And if you like whatever is happening in Sound Health Solution, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's create a new generation of enlightened human beings. Until next time.